Welcome to my first day in the life of a new hairstylist. Yeah, it is 8:30 in the morning. My salon opens at 9 on Saturdays, closes at 5. Today I got 2 clients, so if you're excited to see this and would like to see more of this, go ahead and like this video, drop a comment, and just go ahead and subscribe to see more, because I'll definitely be making I'll definitely be making more of these videos along with other lifestyle type things. So yeah, you can look forward to that. So we're getting started, heating up a quick breakfast, gotta leave, because like I said, it's 8:30. My client gets there at 9, so yeah. And I have some tea to drink, you know, you gotta start your morning off with tea, soothe the body. So I'll see you at the salon. Okay, so I know I said I'd talk to y'all when I got to the salon, but I'm running a few minutes behind, so I figured I'd talk to you on the way to the salon. So my clients today are both second timers, right? So like they're returning, but this is their first return to me. So that's exciting, because that means that they really appreciated my work or like something about my work or their experience with me. And so I think that's important to note, because I feel like a lot of times when you see people talk about being a stylist or an entrepreneur, essentially doing whatever, they always talk about specializing, right? Specialize in this service, specialize in that service. Like, that's how you get clients, specialize. But the thing is, like, one of the most important things is to keep clients. Like, returning clients, regular clients are your bread and butter, because one, they become loyal. You develop that relationship. It's like someone who shops with like Nike only and they don't wear Adidas, you know, or something like that. Like, there's that type of loyalty to you and your brand and your like service, your experience that they have with you or whatever. And I feel like that's essential. And you know, you're not going to keep everybody. Some people will return like 4 or 5 times and then you still won't see them ever again. And that's okay, because maybe you aren't the best fit for them or they aren't the best fit for you. So these 2 clients are returning, but this is their first time returning. My first one, like I said, is at 9 a.m. She's getting a haircut. It's cool because her first service with me was free, because for my salon, we have to do a haircut and a hair color boot camp. And so she was my haircut, one of my models for my haircut boot camp. And the best part is she was like a random person, because one of the other stylists in the salon, her client, put my name out there in like mom's group on Facebook, which was really amazing. Like, that's where it's great to work in a salon while you're still in school if possible, because you can make those connections. Clients will meet you, they'll talk to you, you'll feel like they're family with you, even though, you know, you're not their stylist. And it's amazing because they will recommend their family members to you that they know don't want to pay as much for a master stylist, but can still get a great experience because they have trust in you. So 10 out of 10 recommend working in a salon before you graduate cosmetology days. So in this video, you're going to see a haircut touch-up essentially, and then a braided style. I'm going to try my best to get some good footage. I mean, I still record videos for Instagram and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to try to make sure I switch the angle so you're not getting vertical videos. But yeah, I'm almost at the salon, so once I get there, I'll have to set up, because I was on vacation last week, so I took my like most expensive items with me. So I just have to set those back up, set up my light, set up my tripod, and you'll see me styling my first client's hair. I might get the shampoo, I might not get the shampoo, but you'll definitely see me styling her hair, cutting it and everything. So I'm excited. Are y'all? All right. See you later. All right, so now I'm just going to do a little voiceover. Here you see my client and I getting ready. We just shampooed her hair, and you see that angled bob. That thing grew out nice. So we are about to touch up this bob because she wants to be birthday ready. Is this about where you part?
So you cut it a little.
I was going to say, I did it more deep, right?
No,
oh.
It was like over here, but all the time I'd be like, "Oh, hey, you get over there."
Oh,
like maybe it's good to do it. Wait.
So you want me to do it like higher or deeper? So I just gave a little preview of my consultation with my client just to double check where she liked to part her hair, and so we know how angled her bob should be. And now I'm just straightening up that part because she was like, girl, just part it where you parted before, it will work out, like, you got this. Also, I had to pull up a chair because your girl is 6 feet tall and my client is petite, so we had to make it do what it do. Okay, so that was a preview of my haircut, and then this is my second client. Again, this is his second time with me. I had just washed his hair, conditioned, detangled, and now I'm preparing his hair for a blow dry because we're going to go ahead and braid him up. Okay, so I didn't get the clip of his blow dry. Phone had died. But yes, this is the finished product. I mean, I'm setting the product, and if you'd like to see how I do this whole process, just follow me on Instagram. It's in my bio. All right, so we're back. It's literally the day after the salon day, but I needed to finish the video, right? So essentially, as you saw, I only got a little bit of clips because my phone was dying. I was not prepared. But yeah, I did the haircut on my first client. She was a little late, and then I ran a little behind on her haircut because we took it shorter than the first time, and it was only my second time doing an angled bob like this. So if you want to see the results, make sure you go to my Instagram at pineapple_styles. That's my business Instagram, styles with a Z. You'll see it right here. And then my second client was a men's braid client, like I noted before. And him, because he had to wait a little bit, you know, I didn't want to do too much recording, but I did get a little snippet as well for his hair, I think. And if not, I'll just try to insert something. It's just going to be vertical, you know. But yeah, so that was done. And then I finished everything and cleaned up by 3 p.m. But I didn't get to like record an outro because I literally had to run and see family that was visiting, and then I went with my boyfriend to a pool party. So, you know, things got a little busy. But I just want to say thank you for watching my first day in the life as a hairstylist video. And, you know, I look forward to making more of these. So make sure you definitely like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how many clients you might have taken your first time being a hairstylist, or, well, not your first time, but like in the beginning times of your hairstyling career. Or if you're new to this, if you're in school, let me know how it's been going in school and taking clients there, because stylists in my salon will take like 5 or 6 people in a day, sometimes like 9 or 10. And I'm just like, I don't know how y'all do it because I'm still trying to get through these 3 to 4. So yeah, definitely leave a comment below and let me know how it is for you. But I'll see you next time. Bye.